Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Gifty. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. I am the gift to your hair. Definitely check me out on Instagram. In this video, we're going to be doing a wig installment tutorial. I am using gifty.org lace frontal wig. And for the video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a glueless wig installment. For the product that I'm going to be using is the Wonder Bond Lace Adhesive Spray. This lace adhesive spray is absolutely amazing. I take that and I spray it on top of the lace before cutting it off. I spray that from one ear, fully saturating this lace onto my skin with the Wonder Bond holding spray from the one ear to the opposite ear. To melt this down, I'm going to be using the Gifty Lace Melting Band from Gifty. I am so excited. So basically, I'm done with the prepping of my hair, put the band on. I'm going to use my curling tool. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. They have voluminous curls, polished curls, and defined curls. I want some defined curls. I want defined curls. I do. Don't polish curls. I don't want so much option. Let's start with the defined curls. The defined curls will be like the small ones. Actually, no. Let's. I'm crazy. I'm so excited for this. Okay. Polished curls. Let's do polished curls. Medium size barrel it is, plus some polished curls. So now to cut off the lace, I did not speed this part of the video up at all, because I want you guys to watch and really see how this is done. I'm using a razor blade, and then I'm using my opposite hand to pull the lace away from my skin while cutting down onto the lace to remove that excess. Recording, I was not. So what I've done so far is just color blend the lace in, cut the lace off. Now I'm just taking the hair in the front. The glueless method is because I literally, for me specifically, I don't wear my wigs long term. This install is gonna last me about 5 to 7 days. That's an entire week. And if I wanted to take it off before that, I can come home and put my fingers under the lace and pop it right off, or I can use water and it comes right off. So this is my second meltdown. I pull the baby hairs in the front, color blend the lace to match into my skin, then I use another layer of the holding spray, then I go ahead and wrap it all together with my Gifty lace melting band. These bands are absolutely amazing. It helps create a seamless melt down to your skin from the lace. You're able to get these lace bands on gifty.org. This information will be linked in the description box. Now moving on, I'm gonna start styling my hair. I'm using heat protectant anytime I put any styling or heat onto my hair extensions. You must use heat protectant. It's gonna make your hair last longer for you while you're putting heat onto the extensions without burning it or making it dry and brittle and all the extra stuff. The heat protectant act as a barrier between the hair and the heat. I am using my, let's say, medium sized curling wand. I really do like this product collection, but I will say about these curling irons, they get dirty really fast. They get dirty fast, but they work great. It turns hot instantly and the curls are gonna last for a long time, but they do get dirty fast. So once this part of the process is done, me styling the hair, I then, do the baby hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an easy glueless way to put your wig on that can last you about a week. Do like this video and comment down below if you want to see more glueless option. I will see you beautiful people next time. Bye.